Welcome to our session today. My name's Paul Benyon. I'm with Hard Dollar as one of the sales engineers. And today we're going to talk about how you can handle overruns and underruns that you have calculated in a unit price contract, and how you can balance or unbalance the project accordingly to take advantage of those overruns and underruns to hopefully give yourself more profitability for your project. To illustrate today, we're going to use this civil project, a unit price contract, and you'll notice that I have pay quantities established. These would be, when we say pay quantity, we mean the quantity of the owner that have been provided in this case. But then I also have my forecasted quantity, which is based on takeoffs that I've done. And if we take a closer look, you'll notice that on aggregate base, the pay quantity is 40,000, but my taken off quantity is that it's going to actually be 45,000 tons. Right below that, you can see that we have an underrun of 3,000 tons. Based on that, we find that we may be actually losing profit on this underrun item, and maybe not taking advantage of the overrun item that we predict we're going to have. But currently I have the project balanced, meaning that I asked the Hard Dollar tool through auto price to actually balance and hit the target total that I had come up with. In other words, spread my overhead and my profit proportionately over all of my items, not worrying about these overruns and underruns. But Hard Dollar has a second option under that tool's menu, where under auto price I can decide to unbalance to hit the target total. Let's take a look at what happens when I select that. You'll notice now my aggregate base item, the price has changed on it. What it has done, if we look over to the item recap, we can see that if I had balanced this item, the profit would have been just $2.95. But it actually increased the profit amount to take advantage of those 5,000 tons that I think it's going to overrun. If we look at the underrun item, we can see where we got that extra profit money from. On my underrun item, what we see on this item is that the price is just $35.45, the same amount as just the direct cost, meaning that this item no longer has any of the overhead and profit on it. We also can see this reflected by the percentage margin. We see a 55% profit margin on my overrun item and a negative 12% on my underrun. In other words, the system is smart enough to move things around, move my profit around to take advantage of those overruns and minimize the impact of an underrun item. We also see this on the proposal recap, where we see my current and my target is within $20. We just have a $20 variance. If we go down to profit, we can see that the current profit is $1,403,000. But my forecasted profit, which is based on my forecasted quantities, the way I think it's going to go, is actually $1,493,000. So I have $89,000 in additional profit that I will obtain if it does overrun and underrun the way that I think it's going to. So this is an excellent feature to allow you to be more profitable on your projects using this automated tool, the auto price unbalance option. So that wraps up our session for today. We look forward to seeing you next time.